Hey guys, good morning. So, it's currently 5:50 a.m. So, bibili lang ako ng yelo kasi nabusan kaming yelo. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Senior high na ako, guys. Look at my fit check. Ang ganda ko, ang sarap. Hindi ka ganun. Sarado pa yung tindahan, guys. Hindi ako nakabili. I'll get back to you guys kapag nasa movie na. Paano yung sign ng SB19? Ano sign? Ano naman eh, makakain. Huwag naman ganyang ano, itaas mo naman. Makikita ko ng mga teacher, gusto mo ba makonfiscate yung cellphone ko on the first day of school? Hindi. Yung bakit ang gulo ko dyan? Hindi ka gano'n. Ay, sorry. Sa likod. Ano nangyari? Sa instrumental, sa device. Good idea. Let's go. Baka lang ako po.
Love guys in the game, that's what my soft-girl era. I'm very soft-spoken anymore. But sometimes, my energy is really high when it comes to jokes. So parang, minsan po mapapataas yung boss ko. Ganon. So parang, okay na po. Very rational.
Hello everyone, my name is Shalea Paulina Maas. I'm 15 years old. My expectations in this school year po. I've been hearing a lot na may mga teachers daw po na strict. So I'm really strict daw po. And I'm really pressured about that. And dahil na rin po this year and next year po, we'll be planning na rin po what to take in college. So one random thing about me po is mabilis po akong mag-zone out.
Hindi ka pwede dyan sa gilid. Kaya nakikita dito sa harapan.
Hello, sir.
Meron ka naman.
First video done. Thoughts?
Yung hair ko, parang halatang light siya.
Tuban. What are your thoughts?
Thoughts. I believe that we should rebuild the world. Bakit parang may filter ako dyan? Or ganyan lang talaga ako maganda?
Aray, my arm.
I think that we should rebuild our planet to make it a better place. And
Grabing mga senior yan. 5 p.m. Free time naman kasi wala si Ma'am Galiza. Look at my eyeliner, bro. It's down there. Kanina nandyan yan sa dulo. Also this. Ano yung primer? Okay pa rin yung makeup. Ang primer. Consider nga lang ako. Hindi ka magdadamo. Hindi ka mag-style ng mga Ayan po mga kababayan, ngayon pinapanood ko kami dito sa hindi ng Medicine Driver. Dati ay para nag-aaral tayo sa ating paalam. Okay, so back to you, Robbie, Rail, at Ocha. Wala si Rail dito. Hindi mo siya tatawagin. Back to you, Sharia Emanas. Hindi ka ganito. Kumanta siya. Okay, guys. So, isang araw, Pilipinas. Isang magandang lunes po sa inyong mga tahanan. Ngayon ay ika-16 ng Hunyo 2025. Go guys! Go Kylie, go! Go Kylie, go! Pumunta pa kayo. Magandang araw, Pilipinas! Isang magandang Lunes, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ngayon ay ika-16 ng Hunyo 2025. Wala na ako. Samahan niyo po kaming subaybayan nasa mga nagbabagang balita. Para sa ating balita ngayong araw, partner, meron po tayong nagaganap na pagkakabit ng mga kurtina sa loob ng silid-aralan ng DOST building ng Quezon City Science High School. Ngayon ay alauna yung medya ng hapon at 2 oras na lamang. 2 oras na lang ba?
Ko talaga na nasa bahay ako ng
2 oras na lamang po. Bakit kasi white? Should be green. Parang ang kulay na
hindi mo kuti na lang sa lamay namin.
Grabing tali naman ang kurtinang ginawa. Parang okay guys. So itong video na to lang yung naantok na ako. Hindi ka magdadabo naman. This is crucial. Kita ba? Kita ba? Sakay, 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 sakay! Yes. Hindi ka na Picture mo yan. Ito, te. Ano? Retake natin. Retake natin. Ano ka retake? Masa ka dito? Hello guys, I just got home and first day of senior year is finally done. So my feedback from the whole day, it was very exhausting. I really don't know why, but because I feel like it's because of the weather na din, because it was really hot, like from the morning until like 1 p.m. And then parang mga 1:30 ganon, biglang umulan. Like sobrang sakit ng ulo ko right now. So my feedback is that I feel like it took so long for the subjects to finish kasi usually nung grade 10 last school year namin is 45 minutes lang ang namin. So I feel like I pretty got used to it. So yeah, medyo nasa pa ako, like nasa transition period pa ako ng senior year. But overall, it's good. Ilan pa lang yung mga na-meet namin yung teachers today. So, na-meet na namin yung teacher namin sa oral communications, oral comms, pre-calculus, which is a good teacher din namin siya before ng grade 10, and he was a really good teacher. So, until right now naman, sobrang bait pa rin ni sir. Next is philosophy. Next is earth science, I think. And then I actually didn't keep track on it anymore. As in parang like I just let the time fly by, and I didn't think of like parang enjoying the whole moment. But I was really happy that I was sitting with my best friend. She was my best friend na nung grade 9 pa lang. No, actually nung grade 10. Like, nagkakasundo talaga kami. So, yeah. I'm really happy about it na meron pa rin naman akong makakilala. And I got to talk to my previous friends as well nung grade 10. And it was really fun to talk to them and meet my juniors then. Yun lang naman guys. I feel like it's the end of the video now kasi I really have to sleep right now as in sobrang sakit. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video even if it's short. I'll do more videos guys, promise. Kapag medyo nag-enjoy na ako sa school kasi wala talaga. Anyway,